Welcome to AK Auto Expert, your go-to channel for the latest car reviews, expert insights, and everything you need to know about the newest vehicles on the market. Today, we're taking a closer look at the 2025 Ford Explorer, a mid-size SUV that continues to impress with its performance, technology, and overall design. Whether you're a longtime fan of the Explorer or just starting your SUV search, this review will give you a full breakdown of what to expect from the newest model. The 2025 Ford Explorer sticks with its bold and rugged look but refines the design to be more modern and sleek. The updated front grille, sharper LED headlights, and aerodynamic lines give the SUV a strong road presence. Inside, the Explorer has received some smart updates as well. The interior feels upscale with improved materials, more soft-touch surfaces, and new color options. Comfort is a top priority with spacious seating for up to 7 passengers, making it a great option for families or road trip lovers. Under the hood, the 2025 Explorer offers a variety of engine options. The base model comes with a turbocharged 2.3-liter 4-cylinder engine, which balances power and fuel efficiency nicely. For those looking for more performance, there's a 3.0-liter twin-turbo V6 available, and the hybrid model remains a strong option for drivers who want a blend of power and efficiency. The Explorer handles well for an SUV of its size, with responsive steering and a smooth ride even on rough roads. In terms of technology, Ford has really stepped up its game. The Explorer features a new infotainment system with a large touchscreen, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and an available digital instrument cluster that's customizable and easy to read. You'll also find USB ports in all 3 rows, a premium sound system in higher trims, and available features like a wireless charging pad and head-up display. Safety remains a big focus, and the 2025 Explorer comes with Ford Co-Pilot 360, which includes automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, lane keeping assist, and more. Higher trims offer additional safety features like adaptive cruise control with stop and go, traffic sign recognition, and a 360-degree camera system for easier parking and maneuvering. Overall, the 2025 Ford Explorer is a well-rounded SUV that offers solid performance, a comfortable and tech-filled interior, and a strong set of safety features. It's a solid choice for families, commuters, and adventurers alike. If you found